Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about topic integration by partial fraction. Partial fraction means parts of fractions. Suppose here we will discuss about some types and we will do questions related to these. Suppose first type is px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b. Numerator is in linear form and denominator is in quadratic form and whose factors are given. So where a not equal to b. So we can write this as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b is equal to a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b. Here we will find a and b by making these are equal. So what is the meaning of parts of fraction? Suppose 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. After taking LCM, after solving this, we can write as 10 upon 21. और 10 upon 21 के अगर हम factors करते हैं तो हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. We can split it and we can make it in the form of two parts. This is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7. Same here, we can make the parts. Clear? So look at very first question related to this type. First question of exercise 7.5. X upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. X upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. Here numerator is in linear form and denominator is in quadratic form and whose factors are x plus 1 and x plus 2. So we will do this question by partial fraction and we have done this type of question in 7.4 exercise by using formula, but here we will discuss about partial fraction. So x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x plus 2. b upon x plus 2. So x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to x plus, take LCM of in right hand side x plus 1 into x plus 2. So it will be a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Denominator is same. So numerator will be same. X is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. Then we will find a and b here. A and b here. So how we will find a and b? We can use one method, coefficient compare. Coefficient compare means we can multiply these ax plus 2a, bx plus b. Then we will take x terms separate and constant separate and then we can compare these. But I am using another method here. Firstly we will make this one will 0 and then this one will 0. अगर इसको 0 बना देते हैं then we will get b. If x plus 1 is equal to 0 then we will get a. अगर x plus 2 को हम 0 बना देते हैं तो हम a की b की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी और अगर x plus 1 को 0 बना देते हैं तो a की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. So x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2. So by putting x is equal to minus 2 on both side of this, so क्या आएगा? x is minus 2, here x is minus 2, here x is minus 2. At the place of x we will put minus 2. So it is minus 2 a into minus 2 plus 2 plus b into minus 2 plus 1. Clear? So minus 2 plus 2 it is 0. It will be b into minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Clear? So it is 0. तो b की वैल्यू आ जाएगी minus b is equal to minus 2. So b will be 2. So b is 2 here. Now we will put x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 on both sides. So if it is minus 1, a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 plus 1. Then we will get minus 1 is equal to a into 1 and it will be 0. So a is equal to minus 1. So we have got here a value is minus 1 and b is equal to 2. A is minus 1 and b is 2. Then we can write x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1 plus 2 upon x plus 2. We will put a and b value in equation number first. So we can write this is equal to this. We will put a value and b value here. Now we will take integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. So x upon x plus 1 into x plus 2. Here minus 1 upon x plus 1 integration plus 2 upon x plus 2 integration. And we know that 1 upon x plus 1 integration is log of x plus 1 and 1 upon x plus 2 integration is log of x plus 2 plus c. So we can solve it again. Minus log of x plus 1 keep as it is. It is 2 of log x plus 2. We can take 2 in power because we know that log m power n is equal to n log m. तो पार ये क्या बन जाएगी, पार. So we can write as log of x plus 2 whole square and it is minus of log x plus 1. Suppose this is m, this is n. Log m minus log n. It is log m upon n. Log m upon n. So log x plus 2 whole square upon log x plus 1 plus c. So this is answer. Now come to fifth question. This is same as first question. Same as first type. 2x upon x square plus 3x plus 2. Here quadratic polynomial is given. Here linear. Now we can make the factors of this by splitting the middle term x square plus 3x plus 2. By splitting the middle term we can make factors. Then factors are x plus 2 into x plus 1. So this is same as first question. Numerator is in linear, denominator is in quadratic whose factors are given. So 2x upon x plus 2 into x plus 1 we can write as a upon x plus 2 plus b upon x plus 1. So take LCM on right hand side. So it will be a into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 2 and denominator is x plus 2 into x plus 1. In both side denominator is same, the numerator will be same. So 2x is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 2. Again I am putting x is equal to minus 1 in this, then it will be 0, then we will find b. If we will put x is equal to minus 2, then it will be 0, then we will find a. So by putting x is equal to minus 1 on both sides, so it is 2 into minus 1, a into minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 2. So it is 2 into minus 1 minus 2, a into minus 1 plus 1 it is 0 and b into minus 1 plus 2 it is 1. So minus 2 is equal to b, b is equal to minus 2. So this is b value is minus 2. Now I want to find out value of a by putting x is equal to minus 2 on both sides. If we will to put x is equal to minus 2 here, it will be 0. Then we will get a value. So 2 into minus 2, we will put x is equal to minus 2 in this. 2 into minus 2, a into minus 2 plus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. It will be 0. तो क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास a into minus 2 plus 1. So it is minus 1. So 2 into minus 2, a into minus 2 plus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 2. It is 0. It is minus 1. A into minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Then we will get a is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. Then we will put values of a and b in equation number 1. Because we want to find out integration of this, then we will put the value of a and b in this. A value is 4 and b value is minus 2. Then we will get 2x upon x plus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 upon x plus 2 plus minus 2 upon x plus 1 dx. We will find integration of this. 4 as it is, 1 upon x plus 2 integration is log of x plus 2, minus 2 as it is, 1 upon x plus 1 integration is log of x plus 1 plus c. This is answer. This is answer. Now we will discuss about second type. Second type is px plus q upon x minus a whole square dx. We can write this as px plus q upon x minus a whole square. We can write as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. A upon x minus a, firstly we will take single and then we will take square. If cube is given, we can write firstly single, then square, then cube. So I am taking question number 14 related to this. Question number 14 related to this. In exercise 7.5, question number 14 is 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square. So this is as the second type. Px plus q upon x minus a whole square is equal, we can write as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square. Suppose 1 upon 3 or 1 upon 3 square is given, then LCM will be 3 square. But here 1 upon 3 also and 3 square also. So in the same way we can write as this is equal to this. सो 3x माइनस 1 अपॉन x माइनस एक्स प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर को हम लिख सकते हैं a अपॉन एक्स प्लस 2 प्लस b अपॉन एक्स प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर. टेक एलसीएम x प्लस 2 होल स्क्वायर. It will be a into x plus 2 plus b. X plus 2 whole square divided by x plus 2. It is x plus 2. So a into x plus 2 plus b as it is. Now we will take denominator is same. Then numerator will be same. 3x minus 1 is equal to a into x plus 2 plus b. We want to find out a and b. Then we will put one time x is equal to minus 2 because we want to make it is 0. Then we will get b. Clear? So x plus 2 को हम 0 पुट करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू क्या आएगी -2. So by putting x is equal to -2 on both side, so it will be 3 into -2 -1 a into -2 plus 2 plus b. Then it will be 0. 0 into a 0. So b is equal to -7. We will get b is equal to -7. But here only one value x plus 2 and other is x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 2 whole square को भी 0 पुट करेंगे तो x की वैल्यू -2 ही आएगी. Then we can put any value of x from our side. आप x की वैल्यू कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं अपनी तरफ से. If you don't have any value here, so you can put any one. X is equal to minus. Here we have put x is equal to -2. Clear? तो x की वैल्यू b की वैल्यू क्या है -7. सो वी कैन पुट एनी अदर वैल्यू हेयर. आई एम पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 0. यू कैन पुट x इज इक्वल टू 1 -1 कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं. सो बाई पुटिंग x इज इक्वल टू 0 ऑन बोथ साइड, सो इट विल बी 3 इंटू 0 -1 a इंटू 0 प्लस 2 प्लस b. सो 3 इंटू 0 -1, सो इट इज 3 इंटू 0 -1 a इंटू 0 प्लस 2 प्लस -7. b की वैल्यू है -7. सो -1 2a -7, then we will get a is equal to 3. a की वैल्यू आपके पास 3 आ जाएगी. b की वैल्यू क्या है आपके पास -7. b is -7, a is 3. Then we will put a and b values in this first equation. 3x minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square we can write as 3 upon x plus 2 minus 7 upon x plus 2 whole square. So this one. Clear? So 3 as it is. 1 upon x plus 2 integration is log of x plus 2 minus 7 as it is. 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. 1 upon x plus 2 whole square we can write x plus 2 power minus 2. X plus 2 power minus 2. And what is the integration of this? 7 as it is. X plus 2 raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon -2 plus 1. So it is -1, it is -1 plus c. So minus into minus plus x plus 2 raised to power -1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon x plus 2. So this is answer. 3 into log of x plus 2 plus 7 upon x plus 2 plus c. This is answer. Now look at third type. px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. If three factors are given or cubic polynomial is given and whose three factors are these, then we can write as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus b plus c upon x minus c. We can write separate. So I am taking example related to this as question number 4. Question number 4 is related to this in 7.5 exercise. X upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Numerator is in linear form and denominator is in cubic form. We can numerator can be in quadratic form also, but here linear form given. So x upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So we can write as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 plus c upon x minus 3. So take LCM. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So we this divide by x minus 1, then we will get x minus 2 and x minus 3, then multiply with a. And same here, multiply with b, x minus 1 and x minus 3, and c multiply with x minus 1 and x minus 2. So denominator is same, then numerator will be same. Then we will find values of a, b and c by putting one time x is equal to 2 because it will be 0. When x is equal to 2, it will be 0. 0 into something, it will be 0. It will be 0. Then we will get b. Then we will put x is equal to 3. This will be 0. This will be 0. Then we will get c. If we will put x is equal to 1, then we will get this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. Then we will get a is equal to a value. Clear? So firstly, I am putting x is equal to 2 here. X is equal to 2 on both sides. So 2 is equal to a into 2 minus 2. It is 0. 0 into 2 minus 3. B into 2 minus 1 plus into 2 minus 3 plus C into 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Clear? It will be 0. It is 0. 2 minus 2. It is also 0. Then we will get B into 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1. So minus b is equal to 2. So b will be minus 2. B value is minus 2. Now we will put x is equal to 3 on both sides. So if we will put x is equal to 3 on both sides, then we will get 3 is equal to a into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1, b into 3 minus 1, 3 minus 3. So in these two we will get 0. 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 0 into something, 0. So it is a into 0 plus b into 0. We can write as it is. Now c into 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. Then we will get c value 3 by 2. In the same way, we will put x is equal to 1 on both sides. If we will put x is equal to 1 here, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3 and 1 minus 1. In this case, it will be 0. 1 minus 1, it is also 0. So, it is 0, it is 0. Then we will get a. Clear? We will get a. So, a is here 1 by 2. Then we will put a, b, c values in first equation. First equation is x in upon x minus 1 into x minus 2. X minus 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 upon x minus 1. B value is minus 2. So minus 2 upon x minus 2. C value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 upon x minus 3. Then we will take integration of these. 1 upon 2 upon x minus 1 integration will be 1 upon 2 common. Log of x minus 1 minus 2 as it is. Its integration will be log of x minus 2 plus 3 upon 2 common. Its integration is log of x minus 3 plus c. So we can do questions related to these types